Security is a big issue that should be of great concern, and you need advanced security systems to keep you updated. In this video, you'll find 8 amazing spy camera gadgets that are on another level. Before we proceed, give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next video. Now, let's proceed. Techie Spot, your #1 tech channel. Spy Finder Pro. Your personal security is very vital and should not be compromised, but most seemingly secure locations like hotels, changing rooms, public restroom, or meeting room, use spy cameras, and you can't be able to detect the exact point where they place their camera. But thanks to Spy Finder Pro, it's a tiny camera gadget that enables you to safeguard your privacy anywhere you go, with the ability to detect and pinpoint any camera in the room. It has 6 ultra-bright LED lights, which allows you to locate any camera lens in the room, even if the camera is hidden, or if it's switched off. While scanning a room with this gadget, any camera lens in that room appears as a flashing light, making your security sweep quick and easy, and the scanning range is up to 2 to 45 feet, to ensure that you cover more space with just one sweep, thereby saving more time. It's lightweight and you can carry it along with you everywhere, allowing you to scan any public place your personal privacy may be compromised. Take back control of your environment with Spy Finder Hidden Camera Detector. Go get yours now. Lookout Charging Adapter. As you detect hidden cameras placed by other people to monitor you, make sure you also place your own camera to monitor other people. Every day, we spend most of our time away from home, and we can't really tell what happens when we were not around, but with this amazing tiny camera, you can take control of the security in your house. This is actually a phone charging adapter, but in addition to that, it has a special camera lens that records activities in your room on a daily basis, allowing you to monitor your home, your kids, your pets, and more, in a matter of seconds. Most amazing feature about this gadget is that it doesn't have an SD card slot, pinholes, or any obvious signs that it's a security camera, and it actually charges your phone, making it the perfect undetectable security camera for intruders. No need to download any app, set up cloud storage, buy SD cards, or deal with unnecessary monthly fees. It has a built-in internal memory. Just plug the gadget to any PC and get access to all the recorded videos. Go give it a try today. PD-100 Black Hornet. If you're a big fan of battlefield movies, you must have seen several advanced technologies being used by the military. This gadget is one of them. The PD-100 Black Hornet is a tiny unmanned air vehicle, developed by ProX Dynamics in April 2008, and it allows armed troops to spy potential threats, and helps to save the lives of frontline soldiers. The Black Hornet offers intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance support to armed forces in mission-critical operations, and it gives access to remote locations, and provides situational awareness on the battlefield. It's equipped with 3 cameras, one looking forward, one looking straight down, and one pointing downward at 45 degrees, and they combine to give a full-motion video and still images of the target location. From a range of up to 1,000 meters, Black Hornet can be controlled using joystick device. It's lightweight and pocket-sized, so it can be carried from place to place, and in addition, it can withstand all weather conditions, both stormy, rainy, snowy, or windy. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Focals. Eyeglass is very vital for the way we view our style, and they help shield our eyes from light glare. But this is not your standard glass. This is a smart glass made by the Canadian smart glass company, North. This is a smart technology that's always there when you need it, right there in your face. It connects you to the people you care about, helps you with navigation, and projects your phone right in front of you. It's a pair of smart glass that looked much like a regular pair of eyewear, but it projects information from your Android or iOS device into the right lens when connected, and this includes navigation instructions, notifications of calls and messages, notifications from calendar or Uber, and more. Most interesting feature in this gadget is that it comes with a smart ring, which you can use as a joystick to control its gestures, or respond to texts and notifications, and it's also Alexa compatible, which means you can control it with your voice. Recently, Google has acquired the company, and now has its full operations. Night vision monoculars. This is really like a prototype of the night vision goggles worn by the military, but it's customized and fitted for your anytime use. With this gadget, you can spot objects that you would otherwise miss in the dark, all while being easier to transport and use. It's best if you're observing wildlife, camping, or simply navigating in the great outdoors during the dark. Monoculars are the ideal device to have at hand. It offers excellent magnification and zoom up to a far range, and can record or take photographs directly from the lens. The developers made it fit for one eye, so you can use the other eye to keep track of your surroundings. You can try it out today. Flir One Gen 3. This is a smartphone attachment thermal imaging camera, designed to help professionals find problems faster, and get more work done in less time. It has a multispectral dynamic imaging technology, which enhances thermal images, by embossing details from the visual camera onto the thermal image, thereby enabling you to easily recognize where problems are located. This cameras also provide a one-fit connector, that adjusts and extends up to 4 mm, to fit many popular protective cases. You can use this thermal imaging camera to inspect electrical panels, or find water damage, and it works efficiently while on the go. You can try it out now. If you have viewed up to this extent, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next amazing gadgets. Air Freshener Spy Camera. Here comes another undetectable spy camera for your room. Security systems are taking new shades every day, and you don't want to be left out or be a victim of burglars. The Air Freshener Spy Camera is actually an air freshener, but in addition to that, it has a discrete pinhole high-definition spy camera, with high-capacity digital recording system and long battery life, to enable you to record activities going on in your room, in your living room, in your office, and so on, even when you're not around. It's incorporated with a special motion detector, which alert you on the app on your phone in case of burglary. It records and saves videos perfectly in daylight, and also has auto switch to night mode for when it gets dark in your room. Its built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 3 days deployment time, and you can recharge it from any PC or USB cable. It's built with the style of air freshener casing, and it's really hard for intruders to detect, so, what are you waiting for? Go give it a try today. Mirrored glass. This is our last gadget for today's video. It's a pair of glass with a reflective optical coating on the outside of the lens, that makes it appear like a small mirror. The lens typically gives the wearer a brown or gray tint. The mirror coating decreases the amount of light passing through the tinted lens, making it especially useful for conditions of sand, water, snow, and higher altitudes. This kind of glass is most popular with the police and detectives, as it enables them see through even in sun glare. So, what are you waiting for? Go give it a try today. That's it all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next amazing gadgets. Please share this video with your friends.